Blogging has become a popular pastime for many people, and it's easy to see why. With the rise of social media and the increasing importance of online content, blogging has become a great way to share your thoughts, ideas, and experiences with the world. However, if you're new to blogging, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. One of the best ways to start a blog is with Wordpress, a powerful and user-friendly platform that makes blogging easy. WordPress is a content management system, CMS, that allows you to create and manage a website or blog. It's open source software, which means that it's free to use and can be modified to suit your specific needs. WordPress is also highly customizable, with thousands of themes and plugins available to help you create a unique and professional-looking blog. The first step in creating a blog with WordPress is to choose a hosting provider. There are many options available, but it's important to choose one that offers reliable service and support. Once you've chosen a hosting provider, you can install WordPress on your domain. This is a simple process that can usually be done with just a few clicks. Once you have WordPress installed, you can start creating your blog. The platform is intuitive and easy to use, and it offers a variety of customization options to help you create a unique and professional-looking blog. You can choose from thousands of themes, which are templates that control the design and layout of your blog. These themes can be customized with your own colors, fonts, and images. In addition to themes, WordPress also offers thousands of plugins. These are small programs that add specific features to your blog. For example, you can use a plugin to add social media sharing buttons to your posts, or to create a contact form for your readers. There are plugins for almost any feature you can think of, from SEO optimization to security and backup. One of the great things about WordPress is that it's also very easy to publish content. You can create and edit posts and pages, and you can also schedule content to be published at a later date. This is useful if you want to write several posts in advance and then have them automatically published at a later time. Another great feature of WordPress is that it's highly customizable and easy to use. You can customize your blog by adding widgets, which are small programs that add specific features to your blog. For example, you can add a calendar, a search box, or a list of recent posts. You can also add a custom header or background, change the font and color, and more. WordPress also has a powerful built-in commenting system. This allows your readers to leave comments on your posts, and you can moderate comments, approve or delete them. You can also use the commenting system to build a community around your blog, and you can use it to start conversations and get feedback from your readers. In addition to these features, WordPress also offers many other tools to help you manage and promote your blog. For example, you can use the built-in analytics to track the number of visitors to your blog, and you can use the built-in SEO tools to improve your blog's visibility in search engines. Blogging with WordPress is a great way to share your thoughts and ideas with the world. The platform is user-friendly, customizable, and offers a wide range of features that make it easy to create and manage a professional-looking blog. With WordPress, you can start a blog in minutes, and it's a great way to build a community around your blog and to connect with your readers. One of the best things about WordPress is that it's open source software, which means that it's free to use and can be modified to suit your specific needs. This allows you to create a unique and personalized blog that stands out from the crowd. Additionally, the WordPress community is very active and supportive, so if you need help or have any questions, there are plenty of resources available to you. Another great thing about WordPress is that it's very easy to use, even for beginners. The platform is intuitive and user-friendly, and it offers a variety of customization options to help you create a unique and professional-looking blog. You can choose from thousands of themes and plugins, which can be customized with your own colors, fonts, and images. In addition to its ease of use, WordPress is also very flexible. You can use it to create a wide range of different types of blogs, from personal blogs to business blogs, and everything in between. Whether you're looking to share your thoughts and experiences, promote your business, or connect with others in your industry, WordPress is the perfect platform for you. Finally, WordPress is also very effective for SEO. With the built-in SEO tools, you can optimize your blog for search engines and increase your visibility. This can help you to reach a wider audience and generate more traffic to your blog. In conclusion, WordPress is an excellent choice for anyone looking to start a blog. It's user-friendly, customizable, and offers a wide range of features that make it easy to create and manage a professional-looking blog. Additionally, it's open source, flexible, and effective for SEO. With WordPress, you can start a blog in minutes, and it's a great way to connect with your readers and build a community around your blog. If you're thinking about starting a blog, WordPress is definitely worth considering.